First and foremost, good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. Maayong buntag. Maayong aga sa tanan. Okay? So, I just want to say thank you for being with us at the ISOG Colloquium, number 2. Okay? This event actually marks a milestone in ISOG's ongoing mission to enhance information security across our nation. For a decade now, ISOG has led the charge in raising awareness and providing education in cybersecurity, thus building a collaborative community of leaders who are committed to safeguarding our digital landscape. Our efforts are rooted in 3 fundamental pillars: education and awareness, interinstitutional incident response, and the third would be intelligence sharing. Now, these pillars form the backbone of our initiatives, empowering our members with knowledge and tools they need to effectively combat the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. In our pursuit of a more secure cyberspace, we are deeply grateful for the partnerships we have forged. Now, to specifically mention some of them, thanks to the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and others which I might have failed to mention. Thus, these institutions prioritize financial stability, national security, and public welfare. They have been invaluable allies in our mission, and we take great pride in being the only cybersecurity organization who has been supported, and I repeat the word, supported, by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Because this was formed, ISOG was formed primarily as a result of the quote-unquote proddings from Bangko Sentral way back years ago. On a personal note, I am honored to stand alongside the brave men and women in uniform who are represented in this room right now, as my enlistment orders were recently released by the headquarters of the Naval Reserve Command. This further solidifies the bond between ISOG and our military partners, broadening our reach and strengthening our network as well. Together, we will not only safeguard the financial sector, but also enhance national security as a whole. Today's event, and I am so glad that you're here to join us to be part of it, is a key component of the I Am Secure, which is ISOG's annual cybersecurity campaign. This year's theme, Securing a Legacy, Protecting Cyberspace, underscores our commitment to fortifying our nation's digital defenses. Looking ahead, we have an exciting calendar of events. In October, Cybersecurity Month will shine a spotlight on innovation and excellence. As everybody is aware, this is something that is not limited to ISOG, but to all practitioners in the field of cybersecurity. We will be featuring the ISOG X Cybersecurity Solution Pitch and Exhibition and the Cybersecurity Excellence Awards. If I am not mistaken, most of you have already received a copy of flyers requesting for nominations. Please help us recognize the people who really deserve to be recognized by nominating them for these excellence awards. We have some of them in this room right now, but I might not be able to mention all their names, so I will not. But suffice to say, some of them are already part of the activities of ISOG. In December, we will be engaging in meaningful CSR or community services activities, okay? Reflecting our dedication to giving back to the community that supports us. Each of these events serves to strengthen our connections, expand our expertise, and reaffirm our unwavering commitment to meeting the challenges of the digital era. Together, we are ISOG. Kung gusto nyo pa, isog na lang. If you're familiar with Bisayan, Cebuano, isog. If you're Bicolano, okay, the equivalent is Oragon. Okay, so this is a word that has a lot of meaning for us, and this is one of the reasons why we decided to call ourselves ISOG. So together we are ISOG once again, and united in purpose and steadfast in our dedication to cybersecurity. Once again, allow me to thank you for your support, and I call upon everyone to make today's event productive and impactful. So thank you so much again, everyone.